Good evening to all of you. So yesterday we have gone through, flood. And in the flood we have seen urban flood. Flood in general, yes or not? And we have completed it. General flood is completed. General flood disaster. Yes. Now today we have to see urban flood in India. So write down urban flood in India. Urban flood in India. So yesterday we have understand the definition of flood. Flood is clear to all of you, no? Yes. But urban flood is little different. Urban flood is, I said that, little different, and we can be able to see that there are the two factors responsible for urban flood. First is direct factors, and second one is indirect factors. Direct factors and, understood? Direct factors and indirect factors. Clear? And in the direct factors, if we are watching out, the two things are important. One, it is, I said that climate in the direct factor, and then another one I said urbanization. Clear? In the direct factors, there are the two things are important. First one is climate. Understood it? And within the climate, if I say there is two important things are, one, it is a global climate change. Yeah? Global climate change. And second one is changing weather pattern. Changing weather pattern. I said global climate change, and another one we have seen changing weather pattern. Global climate and weather, the two things are there, you know that? Climate, weather is, and I said that day-to-day phenomena. What is the precipitation, what is the pressure, what is the temperature, yes or not? Weather means it is an everyday atmospheric attributes. Clear here? But climate is, I said that it is an average of more than 30 years, more than average of weather of more than 30 years. So I said that this is this kind of climate. If I said China type of climate, understood? So China has a particular kind of climate. Yes, monsoon type of climate, maritime type of climate, coastal region has some kind of climate. Yes, British type of climate, Laurentian type of climate, that you have to study in the second part of the GC Leong, and in the geography you have to see also. There are the different kind of climates, yes or not? Equatorial type of climate. So climate is, I said that it is an average atmospheric attributes of more than 30 years. Understood it? तो बोल दिया जाता है, जैसे ही बोल दिया जाएगा desert type of climate, what you will say that? What you will say that? There will be a very less rainfall, yes or not? High temperature, this kind of the condition you can be able to think of yourself, yes or not? So the climate is, and I said that suddenly it gives an idea something. So that is changing. वो जो climate है ना world level पर different types of climate, that is, I said that changing. Clear? And you have seen, like I said, that when you study in the environment section, you will find out there is a climate change related. I said that since long time we are talking about, since long time, 1992 onwards we are talking about in the form of United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. UNFCCC, you have heard about? It is in a convention. Yes or not? Convention means, I said that the large countries of the world, they are getting together, but they are not ready to follow the rules and guidelines, regulations. Yes or not? Yes or not? So 1992, that is known as a whole earth has sit together in the Rio de Janeiro, that is considered as a Rio Earth Summit. Whole countries of the world, they get together, yes? And there are three agendas. There is a climate change, desertification, and biodiversity. Three main agenda. That what they have to do in the 21st century. कैसे हम 21st century को बचाएंगे? Yes or not? In 1992, the countries of the world come together on the 3 points, and these 3 points are climate change, desertification, and another one is biodiversity. वो बहुत बदल रहा है. हमारे species are getting extinct, yes or not? Biodiversity. Desert area is increasing. When the desert area is increasing, means I said that agricultural land will decrease. Yes, our food problem will incur, food insecurity will occur, yes or not? So I said that the three major points are there, and they are thinking that what they have to do in the 21st century, and therefore Rio Earth Summit is also known as 21 Agenda. समझ में आ गया? Earth Summit is also known as 21 Agenda. Yeah, Agenda 21 it is considered as. So Agenda 21 means there is no 21 list of agendas, but it is, I said, that what they have to do in the 21st century regarding climate change, regarding desertification, regarding. Clear? This is the point. Clear? Thereafter, convention. This United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, ये जो convention था, ये change होकर protocol में बदला. Kyoto Protocol. Understood? What it is? Kyoto Protocol. And in the Kyoto Protocol, and thereafter the countries started joining them, means those countries coming under the protocol, they have to follow the rules and regulations. Yes or not? And there is a problem. Means you have to reduce carbon dioxide at least. Thereafter the carbon trading, carbon marketing, different kind of concepts started coming out. Yes or not? So many points are there, but the people are not happy with this. Finally, Kyoto Protocol failed. In 2015, Paris Agreement started, in simple. Yes or not? It is not in kind of binding, but it is, I said, that it is an intention of a nation to determine how much you can contribute. It is an intention, INDC, it is an intention of nation to how much you are contributing. Determined contribution, INDC. मीन्स आप कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करोगे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिड्यूस करने में. यस और नॉट? क्योंकि यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स बोलता है कि यदि मैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिड्यूस करूंगा तो मेरी डेवलपमेंट रुक जाएगी. चाइना इज अहेड, इंडिया इज अहेड. यस और नॉट? कनाडा डोंट वांट टू रिड्यूस द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एमिशन. ऑस्ट्रेलिया डोंट वांट टू. लेकिन बोला गया कि तुम लोग तो 2 साल यू आर डूइंग सिंस लास्ट 200 years, एंड द इंडिया एंड चाइना इज डूइंग सिंस लास्ट 50 years. यस. सो हु हैज कंट्रीब्यूटेड मोर? Developed country contributed more. And therefore the word come, yes, CBDR, common but differentiated responsibility. तो लोगों ने बोला, UNFCCC ने बोला कि there is a common but differentiated responsibility, कि ये common responsibility है कि environment should be maintained. Yes or not? Climate should be maintained. It is a common responsibility, but differentiated. But common but differentiated. Those who have contributed more, they have to reduce more, and they have to help more to the developing nation. Yes or not? Through the technology. जी हम आज हमारे को सोलर पावर का टेक्नोलॉजी जर्मनी दे रहा है. somebody is giving. Why they are giving? Because of that. Understood it? ये failed है एक तरीके से Kyoto Protocol. Not completely failed, but it has been converted into Paris Agreement. And now, recently it has been IPCC 6th report. IPCC एक है Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. इसका मतलब है ये कोई रिसर्च बॉडी नहीं है. ये सिंपली वर्ल्ड के सारे रिसर्च को जितने भी आई सेड दैट ऑथर्स दोज हु हैव रिटेन समथिंग अबाउट द क्लाइमेट चेंज दे गैदर, और उससे एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट निकालकर फिर वो रिपोर्ट पुट करता है इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ पार्टीज। जो कंट्रीज सारी मिलती हैं दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एन व्हाट, कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ। जो कन्वेंशन में जो मीटिंग, कन्वेंशन का मतलब क्या है, टेल मी। नो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन। यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बच्चे जो हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन को नहीं फॉलो कर रहे हैं, कुछ बोलेंगे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन को फॉलो करूंगा। तो जो नहीं फॉलो कर रहे हैं और जो फॉलो भी कर रहे हैं वो किस में बैठेंगे, कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ पार्टी में बैठते हैं। एवरी ईयर दे आर सिटिंग इन द कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ। लेकिन एक होती है मीटिंग ऑफ पार्टी जो कि प्रोटोकॉल को फॉलो करने के लिए है, तो उसमें वही बैठेंगे दोज हु आर सिटिंग, दोज हु आर रेडी टू फॉलो। तो कभी कभी आप सुनते होंगे कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ पार्टी, मीटिंग ऑफ पार्टीज। Have you heard about? And in the 2018 it has been said, like I said that 2018 it has been said that कहा जाता था 2100 लास्ट जाते जाते टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होगा, दैट इन द बाय द 2045 एंड 2050 विल बी एबल टू हैव द 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर। और ये इट इज वेरी मच डिटरमिन्ड, इट इज वेरी मच डिटरमिन्ड दैट 1.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस तो बढ़ना ही बढ़ना है। इन होल वर्ल्ड इज नोइंग। जो आपने एक बार गाड़ी चला दिए हो तो गाड़ी को रोकना आसान है क्या? The climate change has occurred, then it will take time to what is come back onto the same position. Yes, लेकिन the whole world is thinking how to reduce instead of 2 to 1.5. Only 0.5 degree Celsius कम करने के लिए sea level it will everything everywhere it will rise. Yes, इसका मतलब है if you'll see in the last 10-20 years due to the global climate change has been occurred. You know that since last 10 years, in the one decade, India has faced several cyclones. Every year, number of cyclone in India has been increased. Yes or not? And suddenly there is a good heavy rainfall in the monsoon, and suddenly there is a less rainfall in the monsoon. There is one El Nino, La Nina that you have to study, but here it is La Nina, La, मतलब rainfall लाओ, बहुत heavy rainfall होगा, that is La Nina. एल नीनो नो मतलब जिस साल रेस रेनफॉल हो, दैट इज नॉन एज। तो एल नीनो ला नीना इज अनदर थिंग, बट ए पार्ट ऑफ इट व्हाट इज ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट चेंज इज आल्सो आई सेड दैट मेकिंग द आई सेड प्रेसिपिटेशन टू बी व्हाट, सेवियर और एक्सट्रीम। व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, सेवियर और एक्सट्रीम काइंड ऑफ प्रेसिपिटेशन। यू कैन से दैट precipitation or drought. It can be also. Suddenly बहुत heavy rainfall हुआ और दिख रहा है कि drought, India has been said as the India is facing drought. तो ये क्या है, global climate change is behaving in a very different manner. Yes or not? And similarly हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं, changing weather. Last year go in the month of February you are not finding this kind of hotness. याद होगा थोड़ा बहुत आप लोगों को, लास्ट ईयर इन द मंथ ऑफ फेब्रुअरी वी आर वियरिंग अ काइंड ऑफ व्हाट, woolen cloths. Yes or not? In the March little bit it was there, but this year you can be able to see. Yes or not? So I can't say climate, but we can be able to say that there is a changing weather pattern. Yes or not? Sometimes there will be heavy rainfall, last year less rainfall, this year more rainfall it could be. Getting my point? Yes or not? So this is causing severe or extreme precipitation. Precipitation समझ रहे हैं, बारिश। Yes or not? और drought भी। लेकिन यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, फ्लड के लिए। तो there is extreme kind of precipitation taking place. Understood it? Understood it? So under the direct factors, what I said that under the direct factor, what I said first, global climate change including changing weather pattern of every day, it is making in such a situation that any time there can be a heavy rainfall and an urban area can convert into flood. Understood it? So write down first point. ये ध्यान में रखिए, जब आप ये सब पढ़ेंगे ना, जब भी आप फ्लड को लेकर एसोसिएट थोड़ा सा ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट चेंज वो सब लिखेंगे, हमने जो अभी बताया है ना, यस और नॉट, द ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट चेंज थोड़ा सा लिखोगे तो आपको मार्क्स मिलेगा। इन्वायरमेंट की क्लासेस जब होगी तो उसके साथ इंक्लूड करना। मैंने एक आइडिया दिया है, इज इट क्लियर? अरे बोलो तो सही, समझ में आया आप लोगों को? कोई क्लाइमेट चेंज मुझे पढ़ाना नहीं है, तो अदरवाइज आई हैव टू टेक द व्हाट नेक्स्ट 2 days ओनली टू टीच क्लाइमेट चेंज, एटलीस्ट 2 days। क्लियर? कहाँ थे? हाँ, लिखेंगे अंडर द डायरेक्ट फैक्टर्स global climate change and everyday changing weather pattern can induce yes, heavy rainfall and urban area can convert into yes, flood. Now, is it clear? So, next point, if I am talking about urbanization, direct factor urbanization. What is happening during urbanization? We are encroaching floodplains. Yes or not? हम लोग कहाँ अपना घर बना रहे हैं? Yes, tell me. Where we are doing settlement? जहाँ पे फ्लड वाटर आता है उस एरिया में हम लोग बना रहे हैं। Understood? We are not, this is the bank of the river, that is clear. This is the bank of the river. It is the bank of the river. But this is what, up to this you can say there is a what? Flood area. आज नहीं, 5 साल 7 साल के बाद तो आ सकता है, 10 साल 15 साल 15 years के बाद तो आ सकता है। एंड वी स्टार्टेड मेकिंग, नहीं आ रहा है, क्या करें, चलो बेच देते हैं, कोई ना कोई MCD से मिल के इधर उधर सब, देयर विल बी, आई सेड दैट सोल्ड। सो आई सेड दैट, हमने क्या बोला, इनक्रोचिंग फ्लड प्लेन्स, यस और नॉट, एंड इट इज मेकिंग दैट रीजन टू बी व्हाट आई सेड, दैट डायरेक्ट अंडर flood. Yes or not? Direct under flood prone condition. Direct under flood prone condition or situation. Yes or not? Yes. And now what is happening? Urbanization. Urbanization के एक और है, one more, it is, I said that development, and I said that development and redevelopment. एक तो डेवलपमेंट हो गया, once the city has been developed, thereafter again the city is redeveloping. Yes, आप देखते रहो आज भी बहुत सारी चीजें, न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन it is happening in the cities. Development and what is happening? Development and redevelopment. Yes, tell me. What is happening in the development and redevelopment? Population is increasing in the urban area. Increasing population. Yes or not? Increasing population. Yes or not? Now, what is the meaning of increasing population? Listen me carefully. If the population is increasing, the demand of water is increasing. And the demand of water is increasing in the seaways, the demand, there will be more, I said, the supply of water in the seaways. Yes or not? And there will be an increase in the choking of water in the seaways. Yes or not? Population is more, then there is a seaways problem will be more. Yes or not? and the drainage system of the urban area will become inadequate, and it is beyond the capacity of, बनाया गया सिटी को इतने के लिए, and then population is coming. So the inadequate carrying capacity of what I said, that discharge of water from the urban population. Yes or not? Urban population is increasing the demand of water. Yes or not? Demand of water increase करेंगे, and at the same time in the bathing, in the, I said, the different kind of washing, and I said that food preparation, everywhere there is a more use of water, and it is beyond the carrying capacity of that urban area. Is it clear? अरे समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है? जो आप नहीं सोच सकते थे वो सोचने पे मजबूर कर रहा हूं मैं. Getting my point? Increasing population in the urban area, that if so many people, those who are coming to the Delhi, every day so many people, at least 600 people every day coming to Delhi, new people every day at least. And what is the population in Delhi right now? What you can say? Huh? 2 crore? कितने लोग, तुम लोगों के पास यहाँ के दिल्ली का है क्या? कोई कार्ड वोड है दिल्ली का? Student, do you have? No. But you are also the part of Delhi. So many, I said that other, those who are workers are coming, rickshawala, and so many others are coming, but they do they have this kind of, I said, that any identity that they have, they live in Delhi? It's around 3 crore and something. 3 crore. It is more than, I said, that Australia, you can talk about. Delhi is such a high population. Huh? So I said that this is clear to you. Now another point I said that, development, urbanization causes, what I said, that construction of more roads, construction of more houses, construction of more, I said that, pedestrian. Everywhere I said that it is, generally when the rainwater takes place, that the water should go into what? Soil. Impervious, I said that there is an, I said, if it is a soil and the rain is taking place, then there is an, I said, that permeability. Yes or not? There is some permeability, the water will also go inside. But what we are making through the roads, pedestrian, and then houses. What is happening? It is making impervious. Yes or not? Impermeability. Where this water will go? It will drain on the up and convert into. Getting my point? Yes or not? अब थोड़ा सा मजा आ रहा है, सोच में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है कि yes, this is the cause of urban flood. Not only few causes can be there. It is, I said that, and I am talking about direct urbanization. If you'll go to the, I said then in the 2019, several states of India and in several cities you have seen that there is an, I said, NDRF team is there with their boats in the houses. First, the ground floor is flooded. देखा होगा ना आपने न्यूज़ में देखा होगा, if you have seen like this situation. Why? Yes? Development and तो यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन क्या होना चाहिए? ध्यान से सुन लो कि सॉल्यूशन यह होना चाहिए, रोड को बना दो एस्फाल्ट का. किसका? आप 1000 लीटर एस्फाल्ट के रोड पे डालोगे ना, सडनली वाटर विल बी एब्जॉर्ब. Seconds it will take and absorbed. And there will be a rainwater harvesting at every houses. Yes or not? Yes or not? Clear? And these are the pools that you can be say that there is some kind of, I said, that small drainage system in the, there are several drainage system in the urban area metro cities. The pools, आप शायद नहीं समझ रहे हैं, these breezes and the roads over the drainage system, if we are making new, that should be at the higher height so that the drainage cannot be obstructed. Yes or not? अभी आपने फेस नहीं किया है. फ्लड जनरली दिल्ली में हमेशा नहीं आएगा, लेकिन जिस दिन आएगा तो उस दिन बता देगा कि मैं कौन हूँ और तुम कौन हो. मुंबई में तो देख चुके हो ना आप लोग, यस और नॉट? यू हैव सीन ना, द पीपल आर, थोड़ा सा रेनफॉल होता है तो दे आर मूविंग लाइक दिस, है ना? एंड देन यू कैन बी एबल टू सी दैट द कार्स आर फ्लोटिंग. थोड़ा सा आप देखो, थोड़ा सा रेनफॉल कभी थोड़ा अच्छा हो गया. दिल्ली में तो एक देर ऐसा हो गया, तो वन आई सेड दैट वन मिंटो रोड इन देयर नियर बाई सीपी, देयर इज एन, इट्स लो लाइंग लाइक दिस. सीपी में जाने से पहले ऐसे यहीं पर, एंड वन आई सेड दैट वैन वाला, आई सेड दैट समवेयर स्ट्रक एंड डाइड इनसाइड इट. Little bit heavy rainfall, little bit. I can't say that heavy, but in the Delhi there is no heavy rainfall as such. And when the heavy rainfall will take place, it will open each and everything. What the government is doing, sitting ideal in the houses, their houses and the homes, and then only ruling over the people and showing their what? Muscles. Am I right? समझ में आ चुका है? चाहे वो कोई भी है, ये आपने देख चुके हो. वेदर इट इज दिल्ली, वेदर इट इज मुंबई और एनी सिटी इन इंडिया, एवरी अर्बन रीजन इज फेसिंग सच प्रॉब्लम्स. यस और नॉट? अभी तो मैंने डायरेक्ट वाला बताया, इनडायरेक्ट अभी मैंने आया हूँ. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट डायरेक्ट. अंडरस्टूड इट? सो हम लोग ने ये लिख लिया, क्लाइमेट का लिख लिया. द फर्स्ट वन वी आर गोइंग टू सी दैट अर्बनाइजेशन. सेकेंड वन वी आर गोइंग, सो अंडर डायरेक्ट फैक्टर्स, under direct factor urbanization, under direct factor urbanization is playing important role in urban flood, playing important role in urban flood. Understood it? Write down. There are following factors, there are following points, not factors, there are following points there are following points which indicates increasing urbanization, increasing urbanization is playing major role in urban flood. Write down the first point. Increasing population is putting pressure on water management system of urban area. Water management system of urban area. Due to increased population, demand for water increases, therefore their discharge is more than, देर से समझ रहे हैं ना, उनका जो पानी घर से निकलता है, therefore their discharge is more than carrying capacity of the urban drainage system. a little heavy rainfall, therefore a little heavy rainfall convert into urban flood. समझ में आ चुका है? यस. अनदर पॉइंट, अगला क्या है? यस, टेल मी. यस, development and what I said that redevelopment and redevelopment. Listen me. और उसके वजह से क्या हो रहा है? There is more houses, yes or not? More, I said that. Yes, tell me. More roads, yes, more pedestrian, and that is making impermeability of the rain water, impermeability for rain water. So or impervious भी बोल सकते हैं, impervious. So write down continued development and redevelopment, continued development and redevelopment increasing houses, buildings, roads, pedestrians, etc., which is making rainwater to be impermeable. Which is making rainwater to be what? And therefore all rainwater accumulate. Therefore all, yes, rainwater accumulate over and convert into urban flood. So direct factors are clear to all of you? अरे direct factors clear हो गया? So the next one we are coming towards indirect factors. Indirect factors. डायरेक्ट फैक्टर्स में तो आपने ये देखा कि अर्बन लोगों का जो इंक्रीज डिमांड है उसके वजह से पानी क्या हो चुका है? हाँ, एक्युमुलेट हो रहा है. लेकिन इनडायरेक्ट फैक्टर्स में देखा जाए तो जब डेवलपमेंट, व्हेन द अर्बन एरिया हैज बीन डेवलप्ड, देन एट दैट टाइम देयर इज एन इम्प्रॉपर एंड इनएडिक्वेट ड्रेनेज सिस्टम. यस और नॉट? इनएडिक्वेट एंड इम्प्रॉपर जो भी है हमारे यहाँ जितने भी हैं, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है आज की पूरी क्लास में देखा जाए ना, इसलिए क्योंकि रेस्ट थिंग तो आप पढ़कर इधर उधर समझ लेते हो थोड़ा बहुत, है ना. आज वाले क्लास तो किसी को समझ में नहीं आती है. न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ेंगे, थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया मिल जाएगा, देयर आफ्टर लेफ्ट इट. क्लियर? थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया मिल जाएगा. मैं केवल कॉन्क्रीट आइडिया दूंगा और उस कॉन्क्रीट आइडिया को ही